Hey everyone, imagine you're on the road, and suddenly, your transmission starts shifting erratically, or even gets stuck in a single gear. You plug in an OBD-II scanner, and guess what? Code P0984 pops up. This code points to an issue with shift solenoid F control circuit high, meaning there's too much voltage in the circuit, which can mess up your transmission performance. If ignored, it could lead to costly repairs. In this video, I'll explain what P0984 means, where to find the crucial sensors, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0984? DTC P0984 stands for Shift Solenoid F Control Circuit High. Your vehicle's transmission control module, TCM, controls multiple shift solenoids to regulate hydraulic pressure and gear shifts. When the circuit for solenoid F receives an excessively high voltage, it triggers this error, affecting shifting performance. Symptoms of P0984. If your car has this code, you might experience harsh, delayed, or failed gear shifting, transmission slipping between gears, check engine light or transmission, warning light car stuck in one gear, limp mode, unusual RPM fluctuations, or transmission overheating sensor and component locations. Very important. To diagnose and fix P0984, check these key components. Shift solenoid F location, inside the transmission valve body under the transmission pan. Function, controls hydraulic pressure to shift gears properly. Transmission control module, TCM, location, typically found near the battery, under the dashboard, or mounted on the transmission case. Function, sends signals to the shift solenoids to regulate gear changes. Transmission fluid pressure sensor. Location, usually mounted on the transmission case, near the hydraulic lines. Function, monitors hydraulic pressure to ensure correct gear shifts. Wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit location. Runs between the TCM and shift solenoids inside the transmission. Function, transmits electrical signals to control shifting operations. What causes P0984? The most common reasons for this error include 1. Faulty shift solenoid F. If it's sticking or malfunctioning, it won't regulate hydraulic pressure properly. 2. Short circuit or high resistance in wiring. Damaged, corroded, or frayed wires in the solenoid circuit. 3. Defective transmission control module, TCM, sending incorrect voltage to the solenoid. 4. Low or contaminated transmission fluid, causing hydraulic issues that lead to improper shifts. 5. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor, sending incorrect pressure readings to the TCM. How to fix P0984? Follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. If it's low, dirty, or burnt, replace it with the correct automatic transmission fluid, ATF. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded, or loose wires around the solenoid and TCM. Step 3. Test the shift solenoid, F. Remove the transmission pan to access solenoid F. Use a multimeter to check resistance, should be between 3–10 ohms. If it's out of range, replace the solenoid. Step 4. Check the TCM, transmission control module. Use an OBD-II scanner to check for additional transmission-related codes. A faulty TCM might need software reprogramming or replacement. Step 5. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the P0984 code using an OBD-II scanner. Drive for 10–15 miles to confirm the fix. Final words, if you see P0984, it means your shift solenoid F circuit has high voltage, leading to transmission issues. Fixing it early will save you from expensive repairs. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0835 4-wheel drive 4WD switch circuit, P0836 4-wheel drive 4WD switch circuit range performance. This is IG Garage, your go-to place for car diagnostics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.